Hello, my name is Rakesh Panigrai, and this is my capstone project on Bangalore house price analysis. So these are the problem statements. There are 15 problem statements through which we are gonna look each and every problems. So this is the first problem that in this graph I have depicted a trend line from January to December, which is showing the average price of the houses, how it is gradually going down from January to December. Then in the problem statement number 2, I have depicted a pie chart showing the how the people are investing their monies in different types of areas. So here we can see the people are more interested in investing their money on plot areas. And in problem number 3, it is the square feet wise price chart, where we can see that as the square feet increases, the price also increases. And in problem statement number 4, this is the chart for rooms wise price, and here we can see the price also increases as the number of rooms increases. And in problem statement number 5, this is the society wise price. So here we can see that there is a society named Kaiser Society. It has the highest price houses. And in problem number 6, this is the chart for bathroom wise price. So we can see the price increases till the bathroom number 13, and then it decreases and it starts to decrease. I think there are very few people who want their number of bathroom greater than 13. And this is a problem number 7, where if who shows bedroom wise price, if a person wants specific house within specific range, then this kind of chart can help him out to find a good house within his budget. Then this is the problem number 8, and which shows location wise price. So here we can see that Kavan Road has the highest price houses. And this is the problem number 9, which shows the balcony wise price. So here we can see the people are mostly investing in zero and blank balcony properties. So we can understand it can these kind of areas may come into land properties category. Then problem number 10, here this is the chart for area type and balcony wise price. Here we can see that a plot area with no balcony has the highest price. That means people are more interested to invest in plot areas where there is no balcony and there is no house, we can say. And in problem number 11, this is the chart for bathroom and balcony wise price. So if a person wants specific number of bathroom and balcony, then this chart can help him out to find a good house. And problem number 12, this is the chart for bathroom and size wise price. So it is the chart like previous we have seen in problem 11. So if a person is interested in specific specific number of bathrooms and specific size of the house, then this chart can help him out to find a very good house. Not very good, but good house. Then this is the problem number 13, which shows area type and number of bedroom wise price. So let's say someone wants a house with 2 bedrooms, then we can suggest him built up area and super built up area, which is the same price range, that is 57 lakh. So from this chart help that person in this way. And this is a problem of 14, area which shows area type and bathroom wise price. Okay, from this chart we can see how the average price differs and the number of bathroom changes. And this is a problem number 15, which shows bedroom and bathroom wise price. Okay, so if someone has the specific need, like if someone wants a specific number of bedroom and bathrooms, then this kind of chart can help you out to solve this problem. And this is the summary which we have done, what are the charts and problems we worked on. So we have worked on month-wise data, area-wise, square foot-wise, number of room-wise, society-wise, number of bathroom-wise, bedroom-wise, location-wise, number of balcony-wise, area type and balcony-wise, bathroom and balcony-wise, bathroom and size-wise, area type and bedroom-wise, area type and bathroom-wise, bedroom and bathroom-wise data. Okay, and this is the conclusion part where using this chart, slice and pivot table, we became able to find the pattern in the raw data. Yeah, we did it, and now we can suggest a good house to anyone with affordable price and according to his requirement. Yeah, so using these charts and pivot table we can do it. So these are the reference link from this is the Kaggle, the first one in the Kaggle link where I have taken the Bangalore house data set, and second one is the YouTube link, and third one is the GitHub link where I posted my all the project. So thank you, and thank you.